Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to check your all-time earnings on Upwork. First, log into your Upwork account. Go to the top menu and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Reports. In the Reports section, click on Total Earning. Here, you will see your all-time earnings, including your hourly and fixed-price contracts. You can filter the earnings by date range if needed. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.